Listen carefully, because what I'm about to tell you will change how you see rejection forever. They didn't come back because they suddenly realized your worth. They didn't come back because they missed you. And they definitely didn't come back by accident. They came back because you disappeared. Not physically, but emotionally, mentally, energetically. You stopped chasing, you stopped explaining, you stopped begging for attention. And in that silence, you became powerful. Because in a world where everyone is desperate to be seen, the one who can walk away, the one who can detach, becomes unforgettable. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why distance makes people obsessed, why your absence had more power than your presence, and how to never lose your value again. But before we go into the reasons, understand this. Distance is not about manipulation. It is about self-respect. 1. You removed your availability. When you were always there, they didn't have to think about you. You were predictable, accessible, guaranteed. And human beings, they don't value what is always available. The moment you stepped back, you created something dangerous, uncertainty. Now they started asking, why isn't he texting? Did I lose him? Is there someone else? And just like that, you went from option to mystery. 2. You broke the emotional pattern. They were used to controlling the dynamic. Pull away, you chase. Ignore you, you double text. Act cold, you try harder. But when you gave distance, you broke the script. And when you break someone's expectations, you take back your power. Now they had to adjust to you. 3. You triggered their fear of loss. People don't react to love the same way they react to loss. Love feels safe. Loss feels urgent. When you were there, they assumed you'd always be there. But when you stepped away, their mind shifted to, what if I actually lose this person? And fear moves people faster than affection ever will. 4. You stopped validating them. Before, you were their emotional supply. Your attention, your compliments, your presence fed their ego. But when you withdrew, that validation disappeared. And suddenly, they felt something they weren't used to: emptiness. And guess what? People chase what makes them feel whole again. 5. You rebuilt your value in silence. While they thought you were gone, you were actually evolving, working, growing, leveling up. And here's the truth. You don't rebuild value by talking about it. You rebuild it by becoming it. Your silence made them imagine your growth, and imagination is more powerful than reality. 6. You created curiosity. Silence creates questions, and questions create obsession. Because the human mind hates unfinished stories. They started wondering, why did he change? What is he doing now? Is he happier without me? And just like that, you became the story they couldn't finish. 7. You demonstrated emotional control. Most people react. Few people detach. When you didn't argue, didn't beg, didn't chase, you demonstrated something rare: emotional discipline. And that is attractive, because it signals strength. 8. You stopped making them the center. Before, your world revolved around them, but when you stepped back, they felt the shift. They were no longer the priority, and humans are wired to chase importance. The moment they felt replaced, they leaned in. 9. You made them face themselves. Your presence distracted them. Your absence exposed them. Now they had to sit with their decisions, their behavior, their role in losing you. And not everyone can handle that. So instead of facing the truth, they come back to you. 10. You walked away with dignity. This is the one most people miss. You didn't leave with drama. You didn't beg for closure. You didn't lower yourself. You left with silence. And that silence spoke louder than words, because dignity is unforgettable. But here's where most people mess up. They think distance is a tactic to get someone back. No, distance is a test. And if you break it too early, you lose everything you built. Stay with me, because what I'm about to explain next is why most people fail right after they start winning. The danger of breaking distance. The moment they text you, call you, or show interest, most people panic. They get excited. They go back to old behaviors. And just like that, they lose their power again. Because distance only works if it changes you, not just your actions. Stoic lesson. As taught in Stoicism, you do not control others. You control yourself. Your peace should never depend on someone texting you, someone choosing you, or someone returning. Because true power is this: being okay whether they come back or not. Finally, so yes, they came back. But the real question is, have you changed? Because if you haven't, they're not coming back to a new version of you. They're coming back to the same cycle. And history will repeat itself. But if you have evolved, if you have detached, if you have built yourself in silence, then this time you are not the one being chosen. You are the one choosing. And that is power. This is just the beginning. Watch the next video to master yourself. This is the eternal discipline. Subscribe to the eternal discipline to be unstoppable.